Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Mini Cooper stereo full guide. Disconnect the negative battery terminal immediately, then locate and remove the trim pieces around the head unit using a pry tool. Keep screws and clips in a magnetic tray so nothing gets lost. Work patiently and note each fastener location for easier reassembly later. If something feels stuck, double-check for hidden screws to avoid breaking clips or begin by removing lower trim pieces around the stereo, starting at the bottom edge and working outward to release clips without cracking plastic. If a panel feels stubborn, recheck for a concealed screw near vents or buttons. Label each panel location as you go so reassembly is straightforward. Keep work area clean and use a soft surface to avoid scratching panels while you access the head unit and mounting screws. After panels are off, remove the mounting screws securing the head unit and slide it out carefully to reach the wiring behind it. Disconnect the antenna cable first, then the main wiring harness and any auxiliary plugs, noting adapter types or aftermarket modules. Inspect connector pins for corrosion and damaged insulation before proceeding. Set the head unit on a padded surface and organize screws by location to simplify putting everything back together later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.